love song. I wanna write you a love song. I wanna write you a love song. I wanna write you a
So right now we're taking an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG True Blue. These sneakers will be dropping coming up Saturday, January the 14th. They will be available in full family sizing with adult pairs starting at $180. So Jordan Brand is kicking off 2023 with the first Air Jordan 1 Retro High release of the year. This update on the classic Jordan 1 silhouette is inspired by the Air Jordan 3 True Blue. But the colors here do not exactly match the OGs, and they're missing that little hint of red, which made the original pair a classic. So they've added this true blue color to the swooshes, laces, interior liners, wings logo, and overlays that sit next to the throat and around the toe boxes. Cement gray accents are applied to the nubuck ankle flaps and the lower heels of this model, as well as the bottom of the sole. Everything else from the nylon tongue to the toe box, collars, and corner panels are the same white, staying true to the OG Jordan 3 True Blue. All right, so we got JA reviewing Jordans. The world is definitely coming to an end, but nah, these Jordan 1 True Blues, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, they look much better on feet. And I feel like that's probably one of the reasons why I'm actually kind of feeling these joints. It's kind of weird to say, but once I threw them on, tucked the jeans over the top, I felt like these were actually a vibe. So when it comes to the color choices, you know, this is a Jordan 1 that probably really no one is asking for. You know, we much would rather prefer the OG colorways, you know, the classics. But I must say the way they arranged the colors, or should I say the color blocking on these, I feel like they did a great job. So if they would have went all blue on these minus the gray paneling, I feel like these joints definitely would have been a hit. But I understand, you know, they're going with the true blue theme, but I feel like they definitely missed the mark, including that little touch of red that we know from the true blue. So they could have possibly threw that in on the Nike logo or something. But regardless, I feel like once you throw these joints on feet, they're definitely a vibe. Even though the quality materials are shit on these, you know, the leather is thin, it's not doing too much, not really a premium shoe, but I do want to say that the shape and the structure of Jordans, you know, over the last 5 to 7 years, I would say are definitely much better than what we were getting in the past. So I think the shape on these is good, and I think this is an overall good cop if you're looking to grab a Jordan 1 this year. I mean, check out the spring Jordan 1 lineup. Of course, you got the 85s, which are the OG cut, but in terms of the OG cut, I feel like this True Blue colorway is probably the best colorway for the Jordan 1 OG High, right after the Celtics pair, but those joints aren't even dropping till April. So for me, white laces on these joints all day. Of course, they do come with your standard blue pair as well. So although we know Jordan Brand is known to skip on the quality, we know they use bad leather, we know the toe box is gonna crease up, but at the end of the day, they are sneakers, and this is a classic model, and this is a very clean colorway. So I think this is a good take on the Jordan 1. So let me know what you guys think. Are the Jordan 1 True Blues a must cop for your collection, or is it just another trash Jordan 1 colorway? I didn't really want to like these, but I'm not even gonna lie, once I threw them on feet, I'm kind of digging these joints. So drop your feedback down below. Salute to everyone for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.